Well, that's all the sports, but let's take a look at more stories making headlines. The Kiambu County government is calling for calm and dialogue as medical doctors threaten a 21-day strike over salary delays. Health CEC Dr. Elias Maina urged doctors to put patients first and engage in constructive talks rather than downing their tools. He acknowledged frustrations within the medical fraternity but clarified that delays in salary payments had only occurred twice, both times due to late disbursement of funds from the National Treasury. Dr. Maina emphasized that Kiambu was not alone in facing the cash crunch, with counties across the country grappling with similar delays. He assured health workers that the Council of Governors is actively pushing for consistent and timely release of county funds to prevent such disruptions in future.
The county doctors are paid like in every other worker in the county. All the workers in the county government of Kiambu are paid the same time, and doctors are not paid differently. At the moment, the county government of Kiambu has consistently been paying salaries to their employees, to their workers, without fail.
Kahawa Law Court's Magistrate Gideon Kiage has given police 10 days